In 2,599, I got the lowest configuration, OnePlus 8.6. In the past couple of days, many friends have asked me to show the actual gaming performance of this phone.
No problem, let's first take a look at the appearance.
The screen is 6.83 inches with a resolution of 2800 by 1272 and a maximum refresh rate of 165 Hz, effective only in certain game scenarios for smoother visuals. It has a metal frame and a glass back cover. This color is called Quicksilver and the back cover feels quite smooth to the touch. In terms of performance, it is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Plus processor. My unit has 12 plus 256, a 7,800 mAh battery, and 120 watt charging. My system version is 16.0.0.205. In performance mode, I ran a simple benchmark, scoring 3,200,000 points, surpassing 98% of users. In terms of gaming, HDR 90, High Definition 90, Balance 90, Smooth 144 points, we're gonna play at 080p, prompt enabled. Let's directly turn on the esports mode. Here, the esports mode is on, and let's activate the fast touch. The battery is at 95%. Let's start directly. Okay, let's directly enter the game. Let's set the low frame rate. All right. Birthplace, slight fluctuations, that's normal, just sway left and right a bit. As for the birthplace, there's no problem at the moment. My current room temperature is 17.6, no problem. Let's jump directly, 141 in an instant, 140 frames when passing through the clouds, and we land smoothly. Currently 16, no rush, let's see, 23, okay, let's see, 25, alright, that's enough. Take one last look at them, 26 people, okay, let's start looking for people directly. Okay, brothers, we played for 47 minutes and 29 seconds. After playing on the phone, the highest was 42.6, and the battery is still at 81% with a 14% consumption. Okay, guys, let's look at the average of 140.6. We recorded the whole session directly. Overall, the frame rate performance is still okay. The frame drop happens at the starting point of frame drop, and during teleportation, there's a frame rate fluctuation when parachuting.
So the lowest frame rate I captured during the game was 136, and there was no issue with responsiveness while playing. Later on, it actually reached 165 frames. We'll show you how it performs then. From my overall experience, this device, if you play PUBG, you can really take off with it. So after watching the video, are you satisfied with this phone's performance in PUBG?